Ali Sotto or Maria Aloha Lilani Sanchinko Karag. Born May 29, 1961, is a Filipino actress, radio broadcaster, and news anchor, and former singer. Her previous screen name was Aloha and now Ali Sotto. She was popularly heard on an ET25 programs like Ano Sa Palagano with Pat P. Daza and Mata Ng Agila Primetime with Alex Santos. Ali was named Aloha by her parents as they married in Hawaii. Her mother was a professor in food and nutrition at the University of Santo Tomas. Her father was with the U.S. Navy until 1969. She is the youngest in the family and has 3 brothers. Sotto separated from her first husband Maru Sotto, but they remained intimate friends. She is now married to her second husband, Omar Bsaiz, an American Tunisian who is a retired diplomat. As Sotto's wife, Helen Gamboa and Dina Bonavi were her sisters-in-law, and the Sotto brothers were her brothers-in-law, Val, Tito, and Vic Sotto. She and Maru had 2 children, Chino Sotto and late actor Maiko Sotto. Ali was discovered by George Canseco at the Inter-University Songfest at FEU in November 1976. She was a host of the television shows Ali and Metro, which was the sole public service program at that time on television and the only public affiliate program of ABC that earns. She used to co-host Sino with Mike Enriquez and Arnold Clavio from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and Double SA Double B, ADZBB program with Clavio every Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. until 2020. It was an exception that TV hosts could invite successive showbiz names as their guests in just a few months. These were Vilma Santos, Maricel Soriano, Sharon Cunita, Susan Rosas, and Dolphy. She was the only one who was courageous enough to ask questions directly to Susan Rosas if she believed Fernando Poe Jr. had an illegitimate child. After her son, Maiko, died in December 2003, she co-founded Ina Inang Naula SA on AK Foundation, a foundation whose mission statement is to provide psychosocial support to its members and other mothers who have also lost their children through projects and programs aimed at helping them move on from a place of grief to a place of hope, empowering them to reach out to others. more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.